This is how you make a bluebird shader inspired by the Naruto Shippuden opening, Bluebird. I'll show you right here. This is what inspired me to create this. Yeah, I can't play the song because of copyright, but this little bird right here. I use this in my bullet train animation, which you can watch on my YouTube channel or on my TikTok or Instagram page. Okay, so I'm using this bird model here. Hit Z and go into material preview. And then we're going to drag in a new window by clicking the corner right here. And then we're going to go into the shader editor. Let's unplug the image texture. We don't need it. It's going to be blank now. Hit Shift A, search for color ramp. Plug the color into the emission color, like this. And we'll use the color ramp to add the different shades of blue. So let's add some light blue right here. The end will be darker. And we'll hit this plus icon and add a lighter shade like this. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna head into the rendered view. So hit Z and go to render view and go to your render settings here. And just make sure you have ambient occlusion, bloom, and screen space reflections turned on. And we'll increase the emission strength to 30. So we get that nice glow. Then hit Shift A, search for wave texture. Plug the color into the color ramp factor. Now we got these nice waves. And now this will depend on your object, but for my bird here, I'm gonna input the scale to 6.2. Again, you can play around with these settings, but these are gonna be my settings. Distortion is gonna be 8.9. Detail is 5.2. Detail scale is gonna be 1.87. That's pretty much it. And now go into Edit, Preferences, and make sure you have the Node Wrangler add-on enabled. So once you have it enabled, just click on your wave texture and hit Control T. And we are just going to make these waves a little bit bigger because I don't like the look right here. So on scale, we're gonna change these. We're gonna change it to 0.2. And that's the look we're going for, like how it looks in the anime opening. And that is pretty much it. If you want the wave texture to move around like this, you can just click on the X rotation here, type in hashtag frame, and then divide it by 100 because we want it to be slow. And there, it's moving a little bit. Follow me for more Blender tutorials.